Hi, I'm Miss Chandra. Welcome to our website. I've been teaching and inspiring young learners for over 23 years. I can't wait for your child or students to learn and grow with me. On our website, you'll find everything you need to help develop your child or students' early literacy skills. From instructional videos to printable resources, we've got you covered. Our video library contains a variety of lessons organized by courses. With a subscription, you can explore and access any video lesson that you want in any order and watch each lesson as many times as you need. Your subscription also includes complete and unlimited access to every single worksheet and printable resource in our educational library. Whether you need worksheets, flashcards, comprehension stories, test prep material, reading games, or classroom activities, we have it all on our worksheets page. At the top of our videos and worksheets page, you'll find a brief tutorial that will walk you through how to quickly and easily access all our video lessons and printable materials. Are you ready for the best part? Our instructional videos are accessible anywhere and from any device. And all of our printable resources require minimal to no prep to help save you time. Each printable that you download is securely stored in your library, making it easy to save your favorite resources. To keep up with the ever-changing needs and demands of our students, new materials are uploaded to the website every month. And when you're ready for some more, just head over to our freebies page. Here, you can watch and access full instructional videos and download any of our free printable resources. Educators and teachers, head over to our educators page to learn more about our school site access options and individual teacher subscription plans. You're making an investment in your child or student's future, and we want to make that investment worthwhile. If you have any questions or would like more information, contact one of our credentialed teachers by clicking Customer Support and filling out our contact form. Welcome to the fun side of learning. We're so glad you're here, and we can't wait for you to join our learning community.